This video is about chips brands from different countries. Chipsy from Egypt, Brett's Chips from France, Jacker from Malaysia, Cheetos Pizzerini from Poland, Lay's from the USA, Old W Dill Chips from Sweden, Chipsim from Azerbaijan, Original Takis from Mexico, Calbee Chips from Japan, Gusanitos from Spain, Chips Chacalaca from Germany, Margarita Lyman from Colombia, Inca Chips from Peru, Almudis Tea from Oman, Yum Yum Chips from Canada, Walkers from the UK, Simba Chips from South Africa, Kim Snack Chips from Denmark, Irvin Zigzag from Singapore, Viva Chips Paprika from Romania, Kelly's Chips from Austria, Mr. Crisper from Iraq, Amica Chips from Italy, Soldanza P from Costa Rica, Aladdin Chips from UAE, Fandangos from Brazil, Winter Salted from Myanmar, Crunchy Maboul from Algeria, Old Dutch from the Netherlands, Leader Chips from Morocco, Dom Long Potato from Cambodia, Maz Maz from Iran, Kakanski Chips from Serbia, Orion Polka from South Korea, Brewstein Chips from Russia, Crachitos from Argentina, Shinkin Potato from China, Tosto Plus Sambrad from Thailand, Potato Crackers from Bangladesh, Moskovsky K from Russia, Cereza Chips from Turkey, Piatos Chips from the Philippines, Proxy Chips from Belgium, Taieto Chips from Ireland, Qatar Pafki from Qatar, Smith's Potato from Australia, Chitato from Indonesia, Poca Potato from Vietnam, Slovakia Chips from Slovakia, Zweifel Paprika from Switzerland, Super Crisp from Pakistan, Things from Zimbabwe, Tasali Potato Chips from Saudi Arabia, Lux Chips from Ukraine, Uncle Chips from India. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Elite Data if you like this video.